For the latest film interviews, reviews, and everything making news in pop culture, subscribe to Film Companion now. Are you tired of scrolling through the same streaming platforms you're subscribed to looking for something new to watch? Here are 10 great films you can rent or buy on YouTube now. First up, Isle of Dogs. Set in a dystopian Japan, Wes Anderson's gorgeous stop-motion animated film follows 12-year-old Atari, who journeys to a remote island in search of his pet dog after the species is banished from his city. Now on to Singing in the Rain. Set in 1920s Hollywood during the transition from the silent era to talkies, Gene Kelly and Stanley Donen's film stars Debbie Reynolds as an actress who dubs the lines of a much more popular star while hoping to finally get her moment in the spotlight. Closer home, Angamali Diaries. Mouth-watering meals being cooked, bursts of violence, a single long take. Lijo Jose Pelliceri's take on gang wars in Kerala's Angamali suburb starring Anthony Verghese has all of his film staples and then some. Now on to Alien. The first of Ridley Scott's long-running horror franchise combined the claustrophobic confines of a spaceship with stomach-churning alien designs by Swiss artist H.R. Giger. Knives Out. Rian Johnson's wickedly funny murder mystery simultaneously parodies Agatha Christie while managing to feel like a love letter to her works. It stars Daniel Craig as a detective called to investigate the apparent suicide of a wealthy old man. Spotlight. Tom McCarthy's powerful, moving drama about the Boston Globe investigation into child abuse propagated by Boston's clergy won the Academy Award for Best Picture in 2016. Its heart-wrenching subject matter is aided by compelling performances by Mark Ruffalo, Rachel McAdams, Michael Keaton, and more. Haider. Vishal Bharadwaj's adaptation of Shakespeare's Hamlet, set in insurgency hit Kashmir and starring Shahid Kapoor, Tabu, and K.K. Menon, retains the beats of the original: loss, betrayal, grief, revenge, but adds in a flavor that is fiercely original. Rear Window. Set largely in a single location, Alfred Hitchcock's film revolves around a wheelchair-bound photographer's suspicion that his neighbor is a murderer. What follows is an ingenious cat-and-mouse game starring James Stewart and Grace Kelly. Hitchcock's Vertigo and Dial M for Murder are also available to rent. Ship of Theseus. The lives of a Jain monk, an Egyptian photographer, and an Indian stockbroker intersect in Anand Gandhi's National Award-winning musing on the meaning of life. Actor Hugo Weaving called the film an absolute rare and profound piece of cinema. And our last pick, It Follows. David Robert Mitchell's second feature film revolves around a curse that can be sexually transmitted, but steers clear of the horror cliches associated with that premise. Instead, it's haunting and richly atmospheric. Which of these films have you watched on YouTube? For the ones you haven't, we're going to link them in the description.